All right, guys, today's July 1st. It's all dry, so we're going to pull it out today. We're going to use an air hose to help blow it away, break it loose. All right, I'll bring you back here in just a few seconds. Well, guys, you're witnessing the first ever 72 to 93 Dodge first gen crew cab headliner board, never produced by Mopar, right here, right now. There she is from the back side. There's the cab. I'm going to take it outside and clean it up. Clean all the mold release off of it. Trim the edges all off. And I'll shoot a couple little videos of it outside after it's all trimmed up. Strong enough to stay in place, strong enough to hold your headliner material. Let me know what you think. All right, I'll bring you back for some more. All right, it's out of the cab. A little hard getting it out because it hadn't been trimmed down. We'll take it outside and clean it up. Clean all the mold release off. It is flexible. And it's made to be flexible so that it's lightweight. Man, that turned out really good. First gen crew cab, 1972 to 1993. Well, sorry. First gen crew cab, 1972 to 1985, and your conversion trucks from 85 to 92. There's a headliner board. All right, I'll bring you back when it's clean. All right, it's all trimmed. The trim holes are in. The two for the back side I didn't put in because my headliner template didn't show them, and it doesn't look like they're needed. I still have to sand it down and put some Gel coat on the surface. But there it is. Now we'll set it back in the truck. All right, it's a little hard getting it through the door openings. You're gonna have to put it through the back window or through the windshield. It's a little too big to fit through the door openings. It is flexible. but it probably won't be as flexible with the gel coat I'm getting ready to add to the surface. All right, let me know what you think. Would you be interested in one like this? Let me know. I'll put my address, email address, if you want to send me an inquiry. These are handmade. All right, first coat of gel coat on the top surface. Sanded down with 80 grit, and then one coat of gel coat on this side so far. All right, fellas, the headliner now has 2 full coats of gel coat. There are shadows. We gotta let this set overnight, and we'll do a final video tomorrow.